Hey all, it's Miss Gross here. I want to help you get your survey for your statistics project up. So make sure that you go into the checkpoint that says post your survey link. Once you're in here, you have directions. The first one says go to Google Forms. We're going to give our survey a title. So let's go to Google Forms. We're going to give our survey a title. My title is Self-Paced Learning. And I want you to put your class period, whatever class period it is. So if it's 1, 3, 4, or 7, put your class period and then put MG. And that's going to help me know who belongs to whom and that kind of stuff. And then you're going to put your name. Put your first name, and if there's another student in our class that has the same first name as you, then you may want to put your last name. That's your title. You can put a form description in if you want to, but you don't have to. Type up your survey questions. You need at least 3 questions, and the first question must be about the population. So we've done this, we've done this. We're typing up our questions right now. The first question must be about the population. And remember, the population needs to be like male or female, adults, children, 6th grade, 7th grade. Since I'm doing mine on self-paced learning, I'm going to say, are you 6th or 7th grade? And then I'm going to put my options in 6th grade, 7th grade. Okay? And I don't need a maybe. So I'm putting them in their populations. That needs to be your first question. The second question on here needs to be about the topic. Well, my topic is self-paced learning. So my second question is going to be, do you like self-paced learning? And you're going to type that up. And I'm going to go back out because I want you all, I want to kind of make this go a little quicker. So my second question is about the topic. Do you like self-paced learning for math? And then give a little description. And then I have multiple choice. On your question about your topic, I would really recommend that you do multiple choice, because if you give them the option to type something in, when you go back and sort later, you're going to have to do a lot of work sorting it. So multiple choice questions are best. So your first question is about your population. Make sure your first question is about your population. Second question is about your topic. And then you need to have at least one question that is numerical. So go in here, look. One question must be numerical. The response must be a number. So here's my example. How many days a week do you like your math class to be self-paced? Watching videos, taking notes, working on IXL/checkpoints. Now, if you'll notice, I changed mine to linear scale. I prefer for this one linear scale because it looks nicer. See? If you have more than 10 options though for your numbers, so if you're doing like how many days out of the month and you have 30, you can't do that linear scale, because the linear scale only goes up to 10. So what you would do there is you would do like drop down for that particular one. Then if you need to ask any other questions, you can, but you need to have at least 3. So let's make sure we have everything here. Google Forms, survey title, typed up our questions. One question is about the population. One's about the topic. One is a number. Now you're going to see, oh, and it's on a linear scale. Now we're going to do this part right here. These are very important. Click on Settings, Responses, and turn off Collect Email Addresses. And we also want to turn off the Restricting the Users to Spencer County Schools. So we're going to do that right now. To do that, you're going to go up here to Settings. You're going to click on Responses. And by the way, if yours is selected Make a Quiz, turn that off. You do not want it to be a quiz. You're not giving them points. So you're going to click on Responses. Where it says Collect Email Addresses, make sure it's on Do Not Collect. And where it says Restrict Users to require sign-in, restrict users, turn that off. Yours is probably turned on, so make sure that's turned off. So we don't want to collect email addresses, and we don't want to require them to sign in, and we don't want this to be a quiz. So once we're done with that, then we can move on to the next part. And the next part is click send, click the hyperlink, click shorten URL, and then copy. So basically we're just copying ours. So we're going to click send. We're going to click this little hyperlink. We're going to shorten the URL, and we're going to copy. And then the final thing that we're going to do is click on this Google form right here, and we're going to paste it in. So we're going to type in our email address, our first and last name, math teacher, what class period you have me. Can adults take your survey? If your question is a population question, are you in 6th, 7th, or 8th grade, then you're going to say no. But if it's something that's just male and female and adults can take your survey, then you'll say yes. What is your topic? List just a few words. Don't ask your question or anything like that, just simply your topic. So mine is self-paced learning. You're going to list your first population here. Remember, population is who you're studying. So remember, I'm doing 6th graders, and my second population is 7th graders. You may have male, female, you may have athletes, non-athletes, that kind of thing. And then you're going to link your survey. So you're just going to simply Control-V to paste it, and then submit. And then it should go on my end. I will show you what it looks like on my end. And I will let you know if the link is wrong. So we've got it right here. It came in, self-paced learning, and we want to make sure. So like, that's why the shortened version is better for the links. And then also, like, make sure that you do very short topics. So video games, that looks good. Self-paced learning, that looks good. But like, do 6th or 7th graders, we're going to have to change some of these. So make sure that it is just basic, few words. And then also make sure your population, see, male, female, this one right here, we're going to have to change that one. Okay, that one's not population questions. So I hope you found this video helpful. Have a great day.